Hello, welcome. Thanks for joining in. Today, I want to talk about something we're hearing more and more about, and for good reason. It's gut health. What's fascinating is that gut health isn't just about digestion. In fact, about 90% of our serotonin, our feel-good hormone, is actually produced in the gut. That means your gut plays a huge role in how you feel emotionally, how you sleep, and how your body functions day to day. You may have heard the gut referred to as our second brain, and that's because of the consistent communication happening between the gut and the brain. There are millions of nerve pathways sending signals back and forth, helping direct mood, immune response, healing, and overall balance in the body. I've been amazed to hear how many people experience emotional support, improved mood, and better sleep simply by taking care of their gut. Here's another powerful connection: your body's ability to produce melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep, is closely tied to serotonin. If your body can't properly produce serotonin, it can't effectively produce melatonin either. And where does it all start? It starts in the gut. That's why healing and supporting the gut is one of the most important gifts we can give our bodies. One of the number one ways to support gut health is by introducing healthy probiotics. We want a strong, diverse, and balanced microbiome, bringing the good and helping push out what doesn't belong there. I believe PB Restore is the best probiotic available today. What sets it apart is its dual capsulated technology, which helps protect the probiotics so they actually reach the digestive tract where they can do their work. PB Restore is the whole package. It includes the prebiotics to feed the good bacteria, the probiotics to replenish the gut, the postbiotics to support gut lining and other gut function, and then also these really cool little phages. They help target and reduce harmful bacteria. It's all about restoring balance, bringing in the good while helping clear out the bad. Taking just one PB Restore capsule a day can make a powerful difference, not only in digestion, but in mood, energy, and your overall health. This topic is especially close to my heart because I have a son who has struggled with depression and anxiety, and there were many moments when I felt completely helpless as a mom. Learning how deeply connected the gut is to mood was incredibly eye-opening for me. As we began supporting his gut health and using PB Restore consistently, we saw changes begin to happen. His depression and anxiety became much more manageable, and he is doing so much better. In fact, he was just telling me the other day that he feels happy again. He would have been content with peace, but to feel happy for weeks on end is more than he could have hoped for. This is really great news for a mama heart. It's been an incredible blessing for our family. My hope is that this message reaches you or someone you care about and gives you a new place to start. PB Restore is one of the 3 products in the Foundational Wellness Bundle, which focuses on nutrition and digestion, the very foundation of our health. When we support these systems, everything else works better. If you'd like to learn more about foundational wellness, be sure to check out the link in the description. I share with you how foundational wellness and a simple 2-minute morning routine can lead to more energy, a better mood, improved sleep, and less pain. Thanks for joining in today, and thank you for taking the time to care about your health, starting from the inside out. See you next time.